Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Masonian Life. My name is Joe Mason, and I am your life insurance agent. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you showing back up. Today, we got some great information to give to you, and that is, what are the details of a life insurance policy? We want to talk to you about and explain some of the 4 features of your life insurance policy that you need to always pay attention to. And we'll get that done. Let's go. Hello guys, Joe Mason here. We're going to talk today about the details of life insurance. Well, we want to know, we want you to know that life insurance is important in the aspect of making sure we have a plan made out for your future. In these plans, there are things that lead up to or has to be in place for your life insurance policy to exist. And that is what we're going to be talking about. The details of this life insurance policy. Well, what are the details, Joe? Well, one we're going to be talking about is the insured. 2, the owner. 3, the payer. And last but not least, the beneficiary. These are the 4 detailed aspects of a life insurance policy. So let's just delve into it. The insured, number 1. This is the person that the policy is taken out on. This is the person that triggers the death benefit or the payment of the death benefit once they pass away. Simply put, that person is the individual that either themselves or an entity or an individual has taken out on them, so at the passing of their death, they receive the proceeds from them passing away. Quite simple. If you have any questions, please comment. I'm going to leave my contact information down at the bottom. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at any time. Number 2 is the owner. Now, the owner is that individual that is responsible for the changes, are responsible for keeping the payments up, and has all the rights and privileges to the policy when something needs to be done. What needs to be done? Well, I want to change beneficiaries. I got married, I want to change the name, or I have a new, some more information that I need to include on the policy that wasn't included at the time of application. That person has all the rights to change everything on that policy. And once the policy is purchased, that owner makes sure that policy stays enforced or stays paid on. Which brings me to my number 3 person or detail, the payer. Now, to me, this is the most important person on this policy, because if you don't pay for it, it doesn't stay in force, and you don't have no insurance. If something happens called lapse or expire, simply means you don't have no more policy. So that payer is that individual who makes the premium payments or the payments on the policy to keep it enforced, which is very important. Now, last but not least, we have the beneficiary. Now, this person, of course, you already know. Beneficiary is that person that receives the money after the insured has passed away. Of course, they're the individual pretty much going to receive the proceeds of what the insured has been paying, has not only been paying on, but has placed in effect. So if at the time of their death they die, the beneficiary receives these proceeds. Now, there are 2 types of beneficiaries. There's a primary beneficiary and there's a contingent or secondary beneficiary. The primary beneficiary is that person that's going to receive the proceeds when the insurer dies. Now, if the beneficiary, follow me, it's going to be tight today. If the beneficiary dies while the insurer is still living, the contingent or secondary beneficiary now is going to move into the primary beneficiary slot, and they receive the proceeds then. I can explain that more to you later on, but if you can, please give me a call and we can always talk about it. These are the 4 aspects or details of a life insurance policy. Sorry to keep you so long. I try to get and quick and make it as simplistic as possible. But if, like I said, you have any questions, I'm going to leave my contact information down below, and you can always feel free to contact me at any time. I always tell people I'm a 24-hour life insurance agent because life is 24 hours. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. But again, thank you for tuning in. Do me a favor again. Please like, subscribe, and share this. Most importantly, subscribe, because I want you to get this information each time I create a video. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. I look forward to seeing you again. Remember, make it happen. Keep hope alive. Stay above water. That's what you gotta do.